Aloha, this is Enbo Wang, and my group member is Philip and Jared. We're gonna show you how to do the article from the Journal of Accountancy called Collaboration Without Headache. It's written by Duane Brandon and Erin Captree. It's written on March 2003. So the purpose of this video is to teach you how to attach files directly from Microsoft document and spreadsheet using the Outlook. And another purpose of this is how to track the changes made to the original file and how to accept or reject review from the senders, and the instructions are shown both in Microsoft Excel and Word. Okay, here's the income statement I prepared for these videos. So right now I gotta send this file to another person so he can review and make changes for this. And we have two ways to do that. First, we can create this little button. It's called send to review buttons and we can send them directly to there. And another way is we can send as an attached file. So first I gotta teach you how to let this sign to show up on the Excel file. So you gotta click this little arrow here, and this one is the customize quick access toolbars. And then go here with more comments. So it will pump up this windows. You're gonna choose all comments. You're gonna choose comments not in the ribbon, and because I already did that, so you need to put these two add into the document. One is a reply with changes, another is send for reviews. You can look at here, send for reviews. You can just add because I already added. Another one is reply. Here, reply with changes, and then just click OK. So this one will show up here, and Microsoft Outlook should be set up first. Another way is you can send out to the person who you want to reverse is to send as an attached file. So you click the file and click the save and send. Here is a button you can click. So this one is just send to with attachment. Okay, now I will show you how to use the send for review button. Okay, go back to home, and you need to check it's click the review and track changes, highlight changes. You must make sure this box is checked so we can share the file, and click OK. Okay, now we're gonna send out the email to other persons. So click this button. And the Outlook will pop up, and so I will send this to other person. Here's the email address, and just type in please review and attach document and just click send.
My name is Jared, and I'll be reviewing the file that Embo sent me. So I already downloaded it and saved on the desktop, and then I opened it, and as you notice the difference here, it's shared, and originally it was just an income statement. So I'm going to go ahead and change a few of these numbers. Let's change this to 400,000 and this one to 6,000. Now, as you notice here, if you go to the review ribbon, track changes, highlight changes, Embo already checked this, so it recorded what I just changed. Since I last saved, you can click OK, and it'll show the changes that I've already made. After you made those changes, you have to save the file. And now, as you notice here, this button here is grayed out, and that's what you'll usually use to send the file back to the original sender. But the computer knows that this file was originally sent from this computer, and so we have to send it through File, and we're going to save and send, and we're going to send it as an attachment. So go ahead and click that. It will pop up Microsoft Outlook, type the name you want to send it to, and then go ahead and click send. I'm now acting as the original author of this document, and so I've received it from the person that reviewed it, and I already downloaded it and I saved it as income statement reviewed. Now we can check what changes were made. So click on track changes, highlight changes, and for this you want to select all. It'll show which changes the reviewer made. So now we can accept or reject the changes, and not yet reviewed is fine. And here it'll bring up this window. It'll tell you what the original value used to be and what it was changed to. So we're going to reject that one, and as you notice it changes back to what I had originally put in as the gross sales. And for the less returns and allowances, we're going to accept that one. And that was a change from 1,000. I hope that this helps you in your endeavors to use Excel in your business, and now we will be explaining how to do the same process in Microsoft Word.
This is Philip Mateo, and now I'm going to show you how to use all the processes here in Microsoft Word. So we have this simple biography of Steve Jobs, and after doing this, now we're going to use the button Send for Review so that we can have someone review our file. So now let's go ahead and click that, and we have this file over here, a box from Outlook, and let's send it to our reviewer. After downloading the file, when we open it, it should have like a box like this. It says Early Life Steve Jobs was sent for review. And now, do you want to merge changes? Since we're the reviewer, we just want to like click no. Okay. Since this was sent through Send for Review, we can actually start by typing the words that we don't want or we want to change in the file. So for example, February, we don't it should be April, so we want to highlight it and just type April. So February with strike through means that's deleted word, and April with underline is an inserted word. So let's change 1955 to 1957. So highlight it again. If you want to click backspace, that will be fine, and then type 1957. We can actually change the indentation of our text, and it will show us that we reviewed the indentation and we made the corrections necessary. So all the possible corrections that we can do here in the text that was provided to us, we'll have some highlights on regarding the procedure or processes that we just changed here. And now after formatting it, we can just go and save, and then like the earlier part of the video, we can go save and send as an attachment. And there's like this box that will appear, and let's send it back to the original sender. And now as the original sender, I received the file that was sent to me. So it asks again for a merging of file. Just click no. And as you can see, I renamed it Early Life of Steve Jobs Reviewed. So here are the changes that were sent to me. I can actually go to review, and then we're going to click compare so that we can see our original file compared to our reviewed file. So in original document, we should go and locate it as Early Life of Steve Jobs, and revised document, which is the one with reviewed, and click OK. And now it says here, Word consider these changes to have been accepted. Continue with comparison. Just click yes. So now we have this different pane here, in which we have original document, we have compared document, and we have the revised document. So now we're ready to accept and reject the necessary corrections that were given us. So I want April to be the correct date. So what I can do is just click accept. And since we don't want February, this was deleted by our reviewer, we can just accept his action on deleting February. So February is already gone. And for 1950 correction, since this was deleted before and we want to use it, then we can just reject the changes. Now we have 1957. Since we accepted 19, or since we still use the old year, then we just want to like remove 1957, and this was inserted by the reviewer. So if we don't want to use it, we just click reject, and searching from the beginning of the document and click yes. Okay, so the only one left is the indentation. And as you can see, the indentation is a little bit off. It's not related, or it's not similar to other paragraph. If I just want to like reject it, just click reject. Ordinary way of doing doing the corrections. So this is the video for Microsoft Word. If you want to like go and check the revised document, you can just like close everything and leave the revised pane in the window. So we have the early life of Steve Jobs with the corrections like April and the indentation. Thank you so much for listening to our video.